Now let's do eye exercise. For this, first of all, sit in a cross-leg position. Your waist, stomach, neck should be in one line. Your shoulders should be relaxed and face should be in front. Now move the eyeballs up and down. Open the eyes widely. Now eyes up, down, up, down, up, down. You can do this for 5 to 10 times. Now rotate your eyes in a clockwise and anti-clockwise. 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, 9. Now anti-clockwise. 12, 9, 6, 3. 12, 9, 6, 3. You need to move the eyes up and down now. Right side up and left side down. Thumbs of both hands should be locked at with the right side and the left side down. But the face should not be turned. Just you have to give the movement of the eyeball. So let's start. Right up, left down. Right up, left down. Right up, left down. Now let's switch the eyes in situation. Left up, right down. Left up, right down. Left up, right down. You can do this movement for 5 to 10 times. Now we will do Tratak. For this, you need to keep the thumb of the right hand straight in front of you. Your focus of the eyes on the tip of your thumb. Now slowly and slowly bring the thumb close to your eyes. As and when you will see the thumb double, then you have to slowly remove the thumb. Now bring the thumb again close to your eyes. And again slowly remove the thumb. You can do this for 5 to 10 times. Every eyes exercise increases brightness of your eyes. Number of glasses does not come. Eyes related diseases are removed.